What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing the EIBACH Pro Kit lowering springs on the ST. Okay guys, so I started off in the rear left. I took that one off. I used an impact. You can use a ratchet, but I used an impact with the 5/8 to take off the bolt that goes to here. You pull this off, and then I used the spring compressor to compress it a little bit from one side, and just like have someone else like push on this down or push like with their foot, press down on this so it can move down a little bit and you're able to take it out. Okay guys, so first one's in. I had to use a compressor again to compress it a little bit and have someone stand on this again. Okay guys, so here's the difference. I already rolled the car to the front, then rolled it back so it could settle. I used to be able to fit 3 fingers between the tire and the fender. Now it's only 2. And if you see the other side, I could fit 3. Barely, right? But it's still 3. Okay guys, second one is in, and yeah, I just need to put back the wheel and the tire on. Okay guys, so it's a completely different day. I had to leave for work for like a week, and I left my car just on the stands. I actually just finished the other front side, and I'm gonna move to this one, but I wanted to show you guys like what is it that you have to do if you guys want to put lowering springs on your Fiesta. Remember, I'm not a professional. I'm just gonna tell you guys a little bit of what you need to do. So you have to remove this line, brake line. You gotta remove this one too. Pull this out and then take this off. You might have to break it. It's really stuck in there. I broke the other one and I just zip tied it back. So this one, this bolt right here. What else? These 2 bolts also. You gotta remove 1, 2, 3 so the strut can drop. What I did in the other one, I was struggling to take the cap off, and since I didn't want to go to like a shop to get it off, I ended up finding these at Home Depot. It's called a pass-through socket set. As you can see, it has like a little hole. So what this does, in case anybody hasn't seen it yet, so this goes on the strut, and it allows you, if you can see, you need like an Allen wrench to put in there so you can hold it in place, and then you take the bolt off. So here's the ratchet. It allows you to put it in, then you throw the Allen wrench on top in the middle, and you can hold it in place while you spin it. So I had actually not even known about these until last week. You see, I was gonna buy one of these. Well, I bought a set of these, but they didn't work for me. Maybe I'm just not patient enough. But this worked great. Like before this, I don't know what I would have done. I probably would have taken it to the shop in the corner. But it's a great thing to have. So Husky, you guys did good on this one. Also, I forgot to say, you might need to take this little, what is this, the brake reservoir off. 2 bolts, and just move it to the side. Okay guys, so strut is out, spring is out. Because I unbolted this bolt before taking out the strut, the spring came out way easier. So now I just have to install the new one. Okay guys, so springs are on. All 4 springs are on. I just have to move the car a little bit so it can settle and see how much it lowered. And I have to get started putting everything back in here in the front. All the headlights, the cover here for the wipers and all that. So I'll get started with that. Okay guys, so here it is. Put everything back together. Here's how the car sits now. Basically lowered like an inch and a half, I think, or an inch and a half. It's not well, in my opinion, it's not that low. But I think next step is gonna be getting some better wheels. Because as you can see, the fitment on these stock ones is not that good. So I think I'm gonna end up going with some 18 by 8.5 or 18 by 8, somewhere around there, if I can fit them. If not, I'm gonna have to go like 17. But I'm trying to get some wider wheels. I'm not trying to make it look like a track car. I'm trying to go a little bit more like stance. I know a lot of people don't like that, but that's what I want to do for now. So that's what I'm gonna do. New wheels next, intercooler, and what else? Exhaust, and then I'm gonna try to go get it tuned. So new wheels, intercooler, exhaust, and I'm gonna try to go get it tuned. See how much power it makes. Yeah. So in the meantime, I might paint these wheels because whoever owned this car before fucked them up really bad. So I'm gonna try to get them painted, see if they can look a little bit better for now. And for today, I'm gonna have to wash this car because it's been sitting for a week and it's dirty as hell. All right guys, that's gonna be it for today's video.